AI 433 ShipOwner. We have Europe worried about what China is producing cars 2 times more autonomy, half the price. Whoa, it's like the famous film of enemies at the gates. Nah, that's not right. The enemy is in the castle, Agatha Christie. Yeah, so please think about how about the ShipOwner AI in your company. How are you using this AI? Are you using a huge software that's so big that really takes you so long to mix your talent database with a ship manager's database? Then we have an issue, because that's not AI. AI is to generate your own barriers so you keep the talent, because in Spain we already have a huge fight for talent. No one wants to work, even though labor laws are changing. Now you can call a seafarer, and if they don't accept to join, they're going to lose the unemployment benefits at last. So things are changing positive. AI is a huge channel, Candina, in social media. Why not join us, dear ShipOwner? Because we have the possibility of strategically unite the talent and the cost of economies with the ShipOwner and the Candina crew management. Why? Because we don't need to go for any other type of sector like technical managers. Why? Because HR is HR, not mixed with any other AI, big, huge softwares. We don't need to go to Mars, do we? Even though they are trying to cut government Fed expense 30% in America, perhaps in Europe, they start to think that the enemy is the council, the province government, the bureaucracy, the local government, the central government, the European Union. Those are the tax enemies. Yes, 59% we can cut those costs. So then, please, ShipOwner, think about, do I want crew management budgets in euros or dollars? Well, the answer is very simple. Now, do I want European company as supplier here in Bilbao because we are in the center tiki-taka of the meeting points? Think about it, because North Europe is already gone. They're going to close all the industries. Why? Because the business is here. Contact us, dear ShipOwner. We can really apply AI systems to your fleet at the smallest cost. Thank you. Bye.